Even the toothpaste we use every single day was probably tested on animals. Hello viewers and welcome to a video called 12 Disturbing Facts about Animal Testing. Have a great time. Over 100 million animals are burned, poisoned, crippled and abused each year in just US labs alone. In tests in which scientists try to figure out whether a substance causes cancer, it is given to subjects every day for around 2 years. Other gruesome tests involve killing pregnant animals and testing their fetuses. Continents and countries which have already banned the animal testing for cosmetic purposes are Europe, Israel, and India. It is illegal to sell or import beauty products which have been newly animal tested. Registration of a single pesticide requires more than 50 experiments done on over 12,000 animals, according to the Humane Society. Experimental drugs, which work over 90% of the time in animals, fail in humans, simply because they're too dangerous or don't work. Animal Welfare Act does not protect the animals used for testing in laboratories, which are mice, rats, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. In just the United States alone, the official statistics for animal testing purposes does not include about 90% of animals used in labs. Protected animals under the Animal Welfare Act can still be abused and tortured. The reason why is that the law doesn't require the use of already existing non-animal methods, even though they might be better for the job. Cosmetic tests that are usually performed on mice, rats, guinea pigs, and rabbits include shaving the skin of an animal and rubbing a substance on it, or simply dripping it into the exposed eyes. The true, absolutely mandatory, quote-unquote, applications for some tested substances are revolutionary laundry detergent, new eyeshadow, or simply a bar of soap. Majority of animal testing revolves around not drugs but basic research in producing genetically modified mice. Around half of all animal experiments are done in the universities. Regulators only required 13% of the experiments done strictly on animals, and that's just in UK. Thank you everybody for watching this video about animal testing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that jazz. And I guess I'll see you the next time.